I'm a plumber in the Air Force. I was actually in the Army before I joined the Air Force. With the Air Force, it's more of an individual sort of task. With the Army, you go out as a big major group, but with the Air Force, it's more singular. So you can concentrate on specific tasks yourself. You actually have to use your own plumbing knowledge to fulfil some sort of task. Also, as a civvy plumber, you don't go out on a veteran training. You don't play sport every second day. But as an Air Force plumber, you get to do a whole majority of things rather than just plumbing. Last week I was out on a big exercise where I drove dump trucks and water trucks, big water trucks. We actually constructed an airfield. You'd never get to do that in Sydney Street as a plumber. There's a reverse osmosis machine. This purifies water from fresh or salt water into drinkable water.
We're transferring potable water, drinking water to the water bladders to supply the shower units with water for the pumping and system like that. Each onion bladder holds about 7,000 litres. So we're just going to transfer half from the truck in there this morning.
This is what we commonly call as an onion tank, because it's shaped like an onion. This is very quick and easy to set up. We just throw it on the ground and put the water in from the top, and it just fills up till it gets to a certain level. Where we go into some really remote sort of areas where potable drinking water isn't available, so we've got to make our own. And we can make our own water out of a pothole on the side of the road if you really wanted to. A civilian plumber would not sort of get to use this sort of equipment, purely the fact that they don't go anywhere, they just work around their own town.
It's got many applications for this system in support with the tradies and that sort of thing. Going on exercise in Australia, going overseas, if the guys are going to set up the ablution blocks and that sort of thing. We usually have 3 of them. The toilets, showers and a laundry setup. It takes virtually 9 parts of the day to set up the whole setup. We use the water from the RO machine. The water goes into the onion tanks, and then we use that water for the toilet block. The water then gets pumped via macerators at the back of the toilets into a septic tank. Great lifestyle in the Air Force. You've got a lot of spare time as well. Like as a civilian plumber, you're working 7 days a week, as many hours as you can just to make ends meet. In the Air Force, it's a very decent wage. You've got a lot of time with your friends and family. Even though you do go away a little bit, it's when you come back, you've still got a lot of time off to recruit.